uCertify offers ISC2 CISSP certification prep for IT professionals. So, start your prep for ISC2 CISSP certification exam from today with uCertify. ISC2 CISSP certification exam demonstrates competency in the following CISSP CPK domains: security and risk management, asset security, security engineering, communications and network security, identity and access management, security assessment and testing, security operations, software development security. In uCertify course, you'll be receiving 585 practice questions and 8,760 hours of online content. It includes 22 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 1,235 flashcards, 212 quizzes, and 420 exercises. The course has 4 sets of practice tests and more than 85 performance-based labs. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to design, engineer, implement, and manage the overall information security program for an organization. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/ISC2/CISSP 2016. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by email sales@ucertify.com.